Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you all are doing good. So guys, in last session already I have discussed how we can initialize the object in Java, right? So I have explained very end to end all these three ways, right? So you can see, right? So what all the way by which we can initialize object in Java. So by reference variable, by using method, by using constructor. The all the which I have explained very end to end, right? So I hope already you have seen my last session video, right? That is part 3. Good. And guy, I have missed out in last session to show this diagram guy. So what is the diagram guy? This not diagram. This is our what conclusion of constructor, how to initialize the object in Java with the help of constructor. So guys, these all the points you need to keep in mind. Okay, then you will perfect about what how to initialize the object with the help of constructor. Great guy? Yes. Already I have shown the code in last session. The guy who is coming first time, so please watch my last video. Then you will come to what know very perfectly how we are going to initialize the object in Java. Right? So guys, that thing already I have discussed, but very depth. So today, what I am going to explain, that thing I will what tell you. Okay. So guys, see, already I have completed what is class, what is object, what is method till this three point already I have explained, because you know very well that this is our complete OOPS playlist, OOPS concept. Each and every what session I will going to explain one new topic, but in the OOPS, right? So you can see class, object, method, and how to initialize the object in Java already I have done, right? Now today our what discussion will be inheritance. Okay, this is most important beautiful concept in our OOPS concept, because this concept comes under our four pillar of OOPS. That is a first pillar, that is inheritance, then what abstraction, then encapsulation, then polymorphism. These four are the main pillar of OOPS. But before knowing this main four pillar of OOPS, you need to aware about what class, object, method, and how to initialize the object. That all these 3 points I have explained before starting this main four pillar. Okay, so if you have idea about what is class, what is object, what is method, right, how to create the object, how to initialize the object, then your next pillar, what you will have important pillar, right, what you have important pillar in our OOPS, you will come to know very easily here. Okay, please be concentrated. Once again, I'm telling to you all people, right, the guys who is coming first time, so please watch my last three session. Okay, then you can jump this session, so your what understanding will be more clear. Clear guy? Yes. So guys, without any further delay, now I will start our inheritance concept. Right? So guys, see. So our today agenda is what? Inheritance in Java, right? Oops. Inheritance in Java, or you can say, or our today complete this is inheritance in Java or in OOPS. Right? That is a most important concept in our Java guy. So most of the places this concept we are going to use in our project implementation. So guys, in that perspective you need to aware. Okay, so also not only in project guide. Suppose if you are going to attend any interview, right? So might be interview, they may ask the question related to the inheritance, or if you are going to attend OCJ or OCA certification, that time also the question may come regarding inheritance. Correct guy? So guy, with all the perspective, this is most important concept in our Java. So guy, who is fresher, who is studying in BTech engineering college, okay, who is intermediate experience or experience level as well. So for all of them, this session is what helpful. Not only the the candidate who wants to learn Java, no. So every who is studying in first year or second year, third year, fourth year, whatever. Okay. So who is want to join in IT sector as a fresher, intermediate level as experience level. For all of them, this session is very helpful. Okay, so you need to what more concentrate. What I am going to explain. So if you concentrate, then you should not have any confusion about this inheritance. Even if you have any confusion after watching this video, please do me comment, guys. Okay, so Amit, this place I have some confusion. Could you please what explain once again? I will explain one more time, guy. Don't worry. But thing is that whatever I'm going to explain the things, you need to understand very perfectly. So due to that, you will not what get any what confusion. If you understand very well, so you will not have any confusion. Great guy? Yes. No guys sir. So first we'll understand. Already I mentioned this thing, right? So what is inheritance, right? You can see here. What is inheritance? First thing. So guys, I will explain here first what is inheritance, why it's need, what is the types of inheritance, what is the advantage and disadvantage of our oops. That means what is the pros and cons of our inheritance. So guys, every concept, whatever we have in the Java, so not everyone has some advantage. Definitely it should have some also what disadvantage, right? So guys, as of now, in the interview room, the interviewer more focus on the disadvantage. Just like I see, if they may ask what is the what inheritance, then they may ask what is the advantage. But guys, sometimes the interview may ask what is the disadvantage of inheritance. Yes or no? So guys, both the things you need to aware what is the advantage, what is the pros, and what is the cons for respective concept. So guys, see, first I will explain what is the inheritance as per definition again. So I will give two definition here. That is one normal definition, generic definition, so everyone should understand, right? And I will give one more definition, that is our technically. So technically, how we can explain to the interviewer, so they may convince as per your explanation, as per your definition, right? So guys, see, first what is inheritance, right? What is inheritance in Java, right? Please be focused. It's very important. So I will explain very layman term, so you people should not have any confusion, guys. Okay? Yes. Guys, see. Generally, right? In generally, right? In generally, guys, what we can say, what is inheritance? So guys, you can define the inheritance just like what? So it is inheriting the property, guys. What guys? Inheritance is what? It is such a property. Okay? So by which what? It can inherit the properties from parent class into child class. What guy? Once again, I can write also here. So what? In or not in guy? It is a what? It is one guy. So it is inheriting, right? It is inheriting, right? What guy? Inheriting the properties. It is inheriting the properties of what guy? Properties of parent class. Parent class into what? Child class. Child class. Guy, this definition is a general definition. What guy? This definition is a general definition. What? So it is inheriting the properties of parent class into child class. Okay, don't worry what is parent class, what is child class. I will explain very well in further. Okay. So what? Basically, what you need to understand, what is inheritance in general term? It is inheriting the property of parent class into child class. Suppose if you have some parents here, suppose father is your parents, right? So how you are going to access his property, right? By you, right? So how you are going to inherit the property of your parents? That means your father, right? So how you are going to access the property of your father? Just like in our Java also. So how we are going to inherit the property of parent class to child class? You can say how we are going to inherit the properties of superclass into subclass. How we are going to inherit properties of what? Derived class to base class to derived class. Yes or no? So guys, there are all things I will explain later on, right? But as of now, you just understand in simple terms. So inheritance means it is inheriting the properties of parent class into child class. I hope guys you understood. Guys, this is general definition. This is general definition. But guys, in technically, right? In technically, right? What guys? In technically, how you can define what is inheritance in technically in the interview room? So guys, suppose some interviewer may ask this question, hey, what do you mean by inheritance? Then guys, you need to answer in such a way what I'm going to explain now. So guys, inheritance, right? Inheritance is the procedure, guys. What? Inheritance is the procedure. Procedure. Guys, please concentrate. What I'm going to explain is very important for your what understanding. So guys, inheritance is the procedure what by which what one object guy by which one object guy by which one object acquires one object acquires all the property, right? All the properties and behavior behavior of parent object of parent object. Yes or no? Whatever defined guy, please read out carefully one more time. So inheritance is the procedure by which one object acquires all the properties and behavior of parent class. So property like you know very well, attributes. Suppose some student is there, right? Suppose some humans are there, right? So humans, suppose name, right? Suppose some student is there. What is the name of the student? What is the age of the student? What is the roll number of the student? That is what? Properties. Okay? And same way what is behavior. So which type of activity he is doing? Suppose he is reading a book, writing a book, playing a game. So okay, these all are the types of behavior. So what it means, guys? So inheritance is the procedure by which one object acquires all the properties and behavior of parent object. Correct, guys? That definition you need to explain in the interview room. Suppose if you are going to attend any interview. Okay, I hope it makes sense, right? So guys, see, this is the definition, right? This is the definition. So guys, in the coding terms, right? In the code, how you will come to know this thing. So how you're going to acquire the properties, how you're going to acquire the behavior from parent class to child class. I will I will give a small example with code based guy. Then I will explain further concept guy. Okay, just now I will move in our IDE. Guys, see, already I've created one package, right? So com app dot oops, right? In that guy, I'm going to create one class. Guys, see, I'm going to create one class guy. Yes, yes. Guys, see, suppose a student is our class. Okay, student is our class. Student is there. Yes. Then you can write some other class which is not there. Okay, suppose person, you can write person also there. Yes, employee also there. Then you can student, or you can write some, you can put a student one, no problem. I'm taking one class student one. Already student is there again, that's why I'm taking student one for your understanding purpose. Guys, see, we will have one main method, right? Yes. Guys, please be focused. It's very important. I am writing first program of what inheritance. Okay. So with this program, you will come to know how inheritance is working in Java. Guys, see, I have created one class, right? That is S21. So guys, see, I want to create one more class, guys. Yes or no? I want to create one more class. So whenever if you're going to what do the inheritance concept, you're going to understand the inheritance concept, you will have two class, guys. First thing, you need to understand this thing. Whenever if you're going to perform inheritance concept in your project, so you need to understand you should have two class. One class should be parent class and one class should be child class. Right? So guys, this time suppose a student one is our what? Our child class. Suppose you assume a student one is our child class. So guys, I'm going to add one parent class here. So guys, see, class human. Okay, what? Class human is our what? Parent class. In dot, I hope you should not have, right? I have created one simple parent class. Guys, you assume this is a parent class. Okay, this is a parent class. Correct? Yes. Guys, see. Now in this parent class, guy, if I need some method, right? Some behavior of the human, right? So every human has a behavior, Eating is a behavior, right? That is common behavior for every human. The human may be a student, the human may be doctor, engineer, labor, librarian, teacher, professor, children, whatever. These all the types of what? What? Human, right? Yes or no? So you see the common behavior of the every human eating, right? So guys, I will create one eat method here. Void eat. Right? I will create one void eat method here. Right? Yes. In the it method, guy, suppose I'm going to print some statement, right? So sys out, I'm eating something. Okay, I am eating. I have created one method guy. Yes or no? Yes. Guys, see. Now tell me guy, without inheritance. Without inheritance, I will explain first, then I will explain with inheritance. Guys, see. If I want to call this human behavior, there is eating guy. So suppose if you want to access the human behavior, so how you can access guy? Normally what we can do, we can create the object, we can call the what respective behavior of the object. Then we can see the respective result guy. Yes or no? That's common thing. So the same way, I will create here what student student one s1 equal to new what student, right guy? Any problem? No. Then guy, can you tell me if I will call what s1 dot eat? Guy, tell me, is it possible? Because we have one behavior of the human. So guy, is it possible to call s1 dot eat? Guy, tell me. Guy, you can see here what the error message coming. Create method eat, because this method is not available for s1 object guy. S1 object means the student one, right? This method is not visible, not created. That's why it asking here, right? So create method eat. But guy, we have one method, one behavior of the object human. Yes or no? But guys, see, without inheritance, we are not able to access the behavior of this human. Why guy? Because this is our child class. You can say this is our subclass. You can say this is our derived class. But guy, human is our parent class, super class, base class. Yes or no? Guys, see, suppose if you want to access the behavior of parent class from the child class. Guys, please be concentrated what I am going to explain. If you want to access the parent class behavior from the child class, then guy, inheritance come into picture. Then guy, inheritance came into picture. Already I have explained you the definition, right? You can see here. So inheritance is the procedure by which one always acquires all the properties and behavior of parent object. Guy, it is inheriting the property of parent class into child class. Means whatever the property we have defined in the parent class, if you are going to inherit in the child class, then inheritance will be come into picture. Yes or no? Guy, you can see now. So we are not able to access the property of parent class. Then guy, it didn't make sense. It is not a inheritance. Yes or no guy? So let's see, if you want to achieve inheritance in your program, in your code, then guy, first thing you need to understand, your child class should be extend with parent class. Yes or no? That guy, extend is a keyword. So with the help of extends keyword, you can extend your child class to the parent class. Guys, see. Extend guy to which class guy? This is human class, right? So I can write here human. Guys, see. If you're writing human guy, error has gone. Guys, see, you can see. If I'm not writing this thing, concentrate here. See, error came or not? Error came guy. But guys, see, if I'm going to write this thing, error gone. So guys, this is the meaning of inheritance. So it is inheriting the properties of parent class into child class. Child class guy is our student one. Parent class is our human. You can see guy here. I am not doing any miracle guy. It's already defined by Java. Only I am going to teach you. I am going to what? Explain you how the thing is going on. Yes or no? Guys, see. If I am going to extend our child class from parent class, the error has gone or not? Yes, guy, it has gone. Now, guy, you can simply run the application. We'll see the result. Yes or no? Let's see. I'm running the application. We'll see the results. It's coming as expected error. Result should guy what? I'm eating something. Good. Yes. Guy, you can see the result will come. Guy, I am eating something. Coming or not? Guys, see. I am eating something. Coming or not? Why, guy? Only due to this. Only due to this. Okay, this means what? So whenever if you're going to perform inheritance concept in your project, in your code, in your application, anywhere, or even in your interview also, if they may ask how you're going to perform inheritance concept in your project, you can tell this thing. Good? I hope you understood that. You should not have any confusion till now. Very clear, because already you have seen the result of that also. Expected result also get. I am eating something. Why? Because I have extended our child class from the parent class. Okay, that is our what inheritance concept in a very basic term, in basic way, in basic manner, right? You can define in this way. But guys, this is not complete our inheritance. Lots of things are there in our discussion. Lots of things are there in our discussion. I will explain one by one. Because why I explain this thing, guy? Because what I have written the definition, so it is what matching or not. It is fulfill or not. That's why I have shown this example, right, guy? So a student one is a what derived class. Yes or no? Child class, subclass. This is okay. Human is our parent class. You can say what super class, super class, or you can say what base class. Okay, this is base class. Yes or no, guy? This thing you need to understand, guy. Okay, and guy student one. I'm writing here student one, guy. This one student one. So I will write also for your understanding, guy. So student one is guy what first child class, you can say that is subclass, or you can say what is derived class. They all are same only. They all are same only. So you need to understand derived class. इसमें क्या ये क्या derived class. Good. These all are same guy. Okay. So guys, this thing you need to aware before knowing the inheritance concept. What is child class? What is subclass? What is derived class? What is parent class? What is super class? What is base class? So all these three parent, super, base are same. Just like our student one, child class, subclass, derived class, all are same only. Good? Yes. Now guys, we'll move in our next discussion, next point. Guys, see. So you see now what I'm going to explain, that is what interview question, guy. So guy, along with I will explain also interview question. So please be concentrated. So guy, what the interview question, guy? We may get interview question. Guys, see. So you see sometimes interview may ask what is meaning of is a relationship? What is the relation between what a student and a human? Okay, what is the relation between a student and what? Yes or no? The question may come, guy. Question may come what? What is the relation between a student and human? Guy, yes or no? Guy, yes. So guy, the relation between what? The relation between what? A student and human what is a relationship? Is a relationship, guy. Then your question may arise, guy, what is a relationship? Sometimes some people may tell, right? So inheritance is a relationship, yes or no? What, guy? Inheritance is a what? What, guy? A relation, yes or no? What, guy? Is a relation, yes or no? Correct, guy? Inheritance is a relationship. But, guy, you need to understand with some example, right? Yes or no? Let's see, a student is a human or not? Guy, tell me. Student is a human. Guy, tell me yes or no? A student is a human or not? Yes or no? Guy, then second example, guy. What second example, guy? Please be concentrated. Second example, guy, suppose dog is a animal or not, guy? Dog is a animal or not? Guy, please be confirm. Please be confirm here. Yes or no? So dog is a what? Animal or not? Yes, obviously dog is a animal. So guy, tell me one thing. Third example, car is a car is a vehicle or not? Tell me yes or no? Car is a vehicle or not? Yes, obviously car will be vehicle only, right? Okay, that is our third example. Now guys, you can see fourth example. You know surgeon, right? Surgeon is a doctor, right? So surgeon is a doctor or not? Guys, see, with that what you understood. So every child already and a parent class both are under the is a relationship only. Guys, yes or no? Guys, see, a student is a human. You cannot say a student has a human, right? So guys, you can see here dog is a animal, right? Guys, see, car is a vehicle, yes or no? Surgeon is a doctor, yes or no? Guys, see, you can see very clearly here, right? So what is a relationship? You can see here. So if I'm going to inherit the property from parent class, so child class and parent class, what is the relation? So guys, this relation becomes what is a relationship only. Yes or no, guys? You can see here. This relationship between child and parents will be is a relationship only. So guys, I hope you understood. So what is a relationship? Suppose one child is going to inherit the property from parent class X, and child class and parent class relation is what? Is a relationship. Clear, guy? Yes. So guy, this question may ask in the interview room. What is a relationship? Clear? Yes. So guy, that is our what? Next discussion. What I will explain you. Clear? Yes. Guys, see. Now you need to understand what is the advantage of inheritance. what is the props, what is the cons, what is the advantage and what is the disadvantage of inheritance guys. Guys, see, I will explain here what is the props and what is the cons. What is what advantage and is the advantage and disadvantage of inheritance. Okay, this is one most important interview question in the interview room, and guys, your knowledge check as well. So please be focused, guys. Very important, guys. First advantage, you should know what. So guys, see, with the help of inheritance, with the help of inheritance, right? You see advantage, guys. With the help of inheritance, you know what you can achieve. You can achieve, guys, code reusability. Okay, first advantage is what? Code reusability. Code, yes or no? Code reusability. First advantage, guys. Because guys, see, if any property, if you're going to define in parent class, right? So if you want to access this thing, right? So if you have three child class, so you no need to define in every class, guys. This method behavior you should not what define what in every class. Directly with the help of inheritance you can what acquires, you can access the property what we have in the parent class. That means we are not writing code, right, in every class. So our code will be reusable. One place you are going to write and you can use multiple places. Okay? That is called code reusability. Okay? That is our first important advantage of our inheritance. What is that? Code reusability. Okay? Second, what is the most important guy? Code optimization guy. What is guy? Code optimization. In your project, suppose if you implemented some code, when if you are going to send this code to your tech lead or team lead or reviewer, so if they will see if you're writing the code so many, if you're writing the same code so many places, so they will give one comment, they'll give review comment and send back to you, hey xyz, you have written correct but you have written same code in multiple places, please optimize the code. So they will tell you refactor the code. Okay, because if you're going to write same method multiple places, so due to this what code line will be increased, performance will be increased, yes or no? Performance will be decreased, guys, not increase. Performance will decrease because same code you're writing multiple places. This is not a good programming practice, right? So guys, if you are going to use inheritance, that means your code will be optimized automatically. I hope guys you understand. Okay, this is second. Okay, then third part. What third part, guys? Third advantage. So guys, we can achieve polymorphism. If you're going to use the inheritance, you can achieve what? You can write here. We can achieve guys what? Polymorphism. Okay, polymorphism. You know, I see these three are the main important guide. So we can achieve polymorphism guide. You can write here method overriding. Yes, you know. Yes, you know. Okay, these things are these three advantage of our what inheritance. Guys, then you will have one curiosity of knowing the disadvantage. Amit, already I understood what is the advantage. Then can you explain what is the disadvantage? Yes or no, guys? Disadvantage. What is the disadvantage? Okay? Yes. Okay, please be concentrated. I will explain this thing. What is the disadvantage of inheritance? So, guys, disadvantage of inheritance, it is tightly coupled. What, guys? It is tightly it is tightly coupled, guys. So you know very well right? What is tightly coupled? Guys, you know what tightly coupled? Don't worry. If you don't know, I will explain you. So you see tightly coupled means so each in every class. Suppose one parent class has 5 child class. One parent class has a 5 child class. Suppose again, if you want to modify anything in your parent class, okay, please be concentrated. Whatever explaining, it's important. Suppose if you have one parent class, definitely we will have one parent class, guys. Suppose if one parent class has 5 child class. Suppose if you're going to modify anything in your parent class behavior, right? So that definitely it should what impact all the child class. Yes or no? That means you need to explicitly modify in all child class. Otherwise, result will not coming as expected. Yes or no? It will impact all the child class guy. Yes or no? That is called guy tightly coupled. Okay. So if you're going to modify in parent class, so you need to do modification all child class. If you're not doing, it's not a giving the what expected result. Okay? It will throw the error. That's why guys we can say it is tightly coupled. Okay, guys, this is the main drawback, main disadvantage of what inheritance. It is tightly coupled. Okay, yes. So guys, with that we have understood what is inheritance. What is the advantage of inheritance? What is the disadvantage of inheritance? What is a relationship? That thing we have done one by one. Yes or no? I hope you should not have any confusion till now. Guys, see. Now next what our discussion. Next point. What all those types we have inheritance, right? What are the types of inheritance? How many types we have, right? So guys, see. Now I can explain types of inheritance. Yes or no? Explain guys. Types of inheritance. Okay, please be concentrated. Types of types of inheritance. Guys, see, we have 5 types of inheritance in Java, guys. Okay? We have 5 types of inheritance Java. Okay? So what all the 5 guys? I will explain one by one. Don't worry. So you see, first type of inheritance is what guys? You see, first type inheritance is what guys? Single inheritance guys. What? Single inheritance. Okay? So first type inheritance guys, single inheritance. Right? Yes. Guys, then second inheritance. That is called multi-level inheritance guys. What guys? multi-level. Multi-level inheritance. Good? Yes. Okay, then third inheritance, what is that? Hierarchical gate. Hierarchical inheritance. I will explain one by one, guys. Don't worry. Just I am now dictating the name of the inheritance. What all the 5 types inheritance we have in Java. Guys, then next inheritance, that is guys what? Multiple inheritance. What guys? Multiple inheritance. Then guys, next inheritance, what is that? That guy, hybrid inheritance. Guys. Hybrid inheritance. So guys, these all 5 are the inheritance we have. What guys? The all are the inheritance we have in our Java. Correct guys? You can see here. Correct? Yes. Now guys, you need to understand one thing also here. So among 5 inheritance, what all the inheritance supported in Java? Among 5 guys, some inheritance is not supporting. So guys, now I will explain what all the inheritance we have in Java that is supporting. Okay. So guys, see first inheritance. Okay, that is guys single inheritance. Yes or no? Guys, these 3 inheritance, okay, supported in Java. Guys. What guys? That is what guys? Supported in Java. Supported in these 3 inheritance: single, multi-level, hierarchical, supported in Java. But guys, you can see these two inheritance. These two inheritance guys not supported. Guys. What I've told guys, these two inheritance not supported in Java. Not supported in that thing you need to understand. I will explain one by one. Don't worry. As thirdly, you need to understand we have total 5 type of inheritance. Among that, these 3 are supported and these 2 are not supported. I will explain why it's not supported. Don't worry. Guys, see. Now I will explain one by one as per their diagram. As per the diagram. Okay. Then your clarity will be more clear. Guys. Yes or no? Guys, see. So what I have told you guys? First inheritance is what? Single inheritance. Yes or no? Single. Yes. Single inheritance. Right? Yes. Give me 1 second. Yes. Guys, see. So guys, see how single inheritance looks like. Guys, please be concentrated. It's very important now. Guys, see. Suppose if you have 2 class, right? So single inheritance will perform within guys 2 class only. One class should be parent class, one class should be child class. Then we can perform single inheritance concept in our Java. Guys, see. So we have 2 class here, right? One class is guys what? Parent class, one class is our child class. Guys, see, this is our class A. Suppose this is class A, and guys, this is class B. This is class guy B. Right? So we will have 2 class, right? This is guy parent class. You can see. So this class guy what? parent class, and this class guy our what, child class. Yes or no? Yes. I can write also guy, don't worry, because your understanding will be too clear. Right? So guy, this class B is a what, child class, or you can say derived class, or you can say subclass. Right? So but this A class is guy what, already I've told you, A class is our what, parent class. Yes or no? You can say parent class, or what, parent class, or you can say super class. Already have explained earlier as well, right? Also you can say what, base class, right? Yes. Guys, see how I'm going to explain. So after watching this video, you should not have any confusion about inheritance. Guys, see. Then guy, this places what is the B class guy. So guy, this is our what, child class. Yes or no? Child class. You can say this is our what, subclass. Yes or no? This is our subclass. That is our, this one is our, you can say derived class. Guys, no? Let's see. So already I have explained one example, right? So your class, child class is going to inherit property from what, parent class. Yes or no? Your child class is going to inherit property from parent class. So guys, this complete what, diagram belongs to what, single inheritance. Got it? Okay, please keep in mind. So this entire thing about our what, single inheritance. I hope you should not have any confusion. Right? Yes. Now guy, I am going to move second inheritance. That is guy what, multi-level. What guy? Multi-level inheritance. Yes or no? Multi-level inheritance. Right guy? That is your second inheritance. Yes or no? That is your second inheritance. That is what? Multi-level inheritance. Yes, no guy? Yes. 100% yes only. Right? Yes. This is multi-level inheritance. So you will understand with our diagram. I see in multi-level you will have more than two child class guy. Parent class will be one, but you will have more than two child class. Guy, you can. This is one parent class. This is one child class. This is one more child class. Okay. So guys, see this parent class, this child class inheriting property from this parent class, and this child class inheriting property from this parent class. For this is a parent only. Yes or no? So guy, what is the name of this class guy? You can see this is guy A, and guy this is the B, and guy this is the, suppose guy if you will have these three class. So A class guy, all I have told you, parent class. This is what, child class. This is also child class. Good. So we are going to inherit property from what, parent class. So guys, this thing called as a multi-level inheritance in Java. I hope you understood guys. Now guys, we have third inheritance, right? Third inheritance guys, you can see here what is third inheritance guys. So hierarchical inheritance. What guys? Hierarchical, right? Hierarchical inheritance. Yes. Okay, hierarchical inheritance. Okay, so how it looks like? How it looks like? I will show this thing as well. Guys, see. Hierarchical inheritance, guys. Yes or no? Yes. Guys, see. So you will have one parent class, right? And this parent class, so this, not this one child class, this is one child class, or I, you see, suppose this is a, or you can say this is our class A, that's it parent. Okay, this is our class B. Okay, this is our class C. Good. Yes. So guys, how they are going to at communicate to each other? Suppose this is a, suppose this is a. Okay. So B class going to inherit property from parent class, and this C class also going to inherit property from what? Parent class. Right? So guys, this is called our hierarchical inheritance. Guys, all the inheritance I will explain with code. Don't worry. I will show with the code, guys. Then we come to know how this inheritance behaving in our code, guys. Okay, guys. This is our second inheritance, guys. That is what? Our multi-level, right? And guys, this is our what? This is our hierarchical inheritance. Yes or no, guys? I hope you understood it. Yes. Guys, see now. Our fourth inheritance. Our fourth inheritance, guys. What is that? That is, guys, our multiple inheritance. Yes or no? Multiple inheritance. Inheritance. Good. So now we understood what is multiple inheritance. Good. Yes. Guys, see. With diagram we understood. So guys, multiple inheritance just reverse of a hierarchical inheritance. Just keep in mind. Multiple inheritance is just reverse of hierarchical inheritance. Guys, see how. As per diagram we can understand here. Guys, see, this is one class. Guys, see. So this class and get this class. Okay. So this class C inheriting with class A, and this class suppose C inheriting with class B. So first I will write the name of the class. Suppose guys, this class is A. Class is A, guy. And guy, this class is B. Yes or no? Sorry, 1 minute. Class is guy. Suppose B. Right? Yes, this is class B. And guy, this class is what? C. Okay. So guy, this is called what? Multiple inheritance. What guy? Just reverse of what? Hierarchical inheritance. Right guy? Yes. So guy, this is the fourth class in our Java. Fourth are the inheritance. Fourth inheritance in our Java, that is multiple inheritance. Right? Now guy, last. That is guy, our fifth one. Yes or no? Which one guy? Fifth one. That is guy, hybrid inheritance. Yes or no? Hybrid inheritance. This is the last guy. Hybrid inheritance. Okay, how it looks like. So guy, this is the combination of what? Two inheritance guy. Combination of two inheritance. Hybrid means what? Combination, right? Yes or no? So guy, what is the hybrid inheritance? it is a combination of two inheritance. Suppose hierarchical inheritance or multiple inheritance. I can show you how. Guys, see. With our diagram, we'll understood. Guys, see. Suppose this is one class. Okay. This is the one class. And guys, suppose this is a one class. Not this one. Okay. Yes. Guys, see. So guys, see. First, I will write the name of the class. Okay. Suppose guys, this is class A. This is class what? B. This is class what? D. Let's see. So guys, this class B is derived from A class, and this D class derived from the B class. And guys, this A class, this C class derived from the what? C class derived from the what? A class. And guys, this D class derived from the what? Yes or no? So guys, this is our hybrid inheritance guys. What is guys? This is our hybrid inheritance. Correct? So guys, this is combination of two inheritance guys. And also guys, you know very well right? This is the diamond problem. Guys, this class also known as the diamond problem. Yes or no? Diamond shape. You can see yes or no? Diamond shape. Diamond problem, you know right? You heard right? What is diamond problem? Diamond problem. Guys, why? You can see the shape of this diagram. You can see the shape of the diagram, guys. What? Diamond like. Yes or no? Already I've told you, right? And guys, you can see this combination of two inheritance. Guys, you can see this is one inheritance. Yes or no? And guys, you can see this is one inheritance. Tell me yes or no, guys. Guys, tell me yes or no. Guys, tell me yes or no. Guys, tell me yes or no. This combination of two inheritance. Right? Yes. So top part is what? Our multiple inheritance, and bottom part what? Our hybrid. That is a combination of what? Hybrid inheritance. Right? I hope guys you understood it. So guys, these all are the 5 types of inheritance we have in Java. Right guys? These all are 5 types of inheritance in Java. But guys, initial 3 single inheritance, right? Then guys, multiple inheritance, okay? Multiple inheritance. Then guys, third one hierarchical inheritance, okay? And guys, fourth one is what? Multiple inheritance. And guys, last one is what? Hybrid inheritance. Yes or no? These all inheritance guys we have in Java. But first three single, multiple, and hierarchical are supported in Java, and these two are not supported in Java. Okay, this is our complete types of inheritance. Guys, now I will move one by one with our example, with our code guide. Then we come to know how all these inheritance is working in our Java guy. Okay, now let's open our IDE. Guys, see, please be concentrated. Okay, so first guy, I will explain what is single inheritance. What guy? First I will explain what is single inheritance in Java. Guys, please be concentrated. Very very important guy. Guys, see, first I am going to create one class. Okay, the class is, guys, suppose I'm going to create class as a B. Okay, and you will have one main method finish. Okay, that is our single inheritance guy. Please be concentrated. I'm going to explain this example as a single inheritance because we have three inheritance supported in Java: single, multiple, and what? Hierarchical. Yes or no? Yes. Guys, see. Now I'm going to create class. Suppose I'm going to create one class, that is class A. The class is, guys, suppose parent class. What guy? Class is our parent class. So guys, in this parent class, suppose if I want to write some behavior, some method. Behavior means method, action. Yes or no? So guys, action of the class A is what? Suppose void. Yes or no? So A. So A guy. This is the behavior of this what? Class A. Correct? Yes. Let's see what the statement I going to print here again. Suppose a class method call. Yes or no? So sys out. I'm writing here what? A class method. Right? Yes. So guys, see, now I will tell you how this single inheritance is working. How this single inheritance is behaving in our what? Java. Right? Guys, see. So already I've told you, right? So until unless if we will not extend our child class from the parent class, we are not able to acquire the properties. We are not able to access the behavior of the parent class. That's why the first step you need to do what? You need to extend your child class from the parent class. Yes or no? So extends, right? Extends the class A. Yes or no? So the first criteria we have done, right? So already we have extended our child class from the parent class, right? Yes. Guys, see. Guys, see, suppose one thing. If you have one behavior of class B as well, what guys? Suppose if we one behavior of class B as well, there guys, suppose what? Void so B. Yes or no? This is the behavior of class B. What? So B. Then guys, we are going to create a B class method call. Yes or no guys? B class method call. Right? Yes. Guys, see, now I am going to access the behavior of class A and class B. Guys, please be concentrated. It's very simple if you will concentrate very effectively. Otherwise, you will confuse. So let's see. Now I am going to access the behavior of class A and B. So let's see. First, I am going to create the object of class A. What guy? I am creating the object of class A. So guys, see A obj1 obj1 equals to new A. So I have created one object of class A again. So let's see now if I am going to call what? obj1 obj1 dot what guy? So A. You can see that. Yes. Guys, see, suppose if I am going to call obj1 dot what? So B. So B. Guys, can you confirm we are able to see so B? Guys, we are able to so B? No, guy, not at all. Why, guy? You know this thing? This is the concept of inheritance here. This is the concept of inheritance here. Why you are not able to see so B? Because you have created the object of class A, not the class B. Yes or no? See, guys, this object 1 is object of class A, not the object of class B. That's why you can see this result. Means what? It's asking change A show A, create a method show B, because you whatever you are calling with that method, in that method you can't able to see behavior of this class. Yes or no? So be we have guy, you can see here, but we are not calling this so be method with the expected object. Yes or no? You can see so be is there in child class, but you don't have the object of what? Class B. That means child class. You don't have the object of child class. Yes or no? This is object of parent class. You can see obj1 is the object of parent class. You can see A is our parent class. But if you're going to call the subclass method, child class method with parent class object, is it not possible in inheritance? Okay. So guys, what will be the solution? Yes. So guys, solution will be looks like. So you need to create the object of child class. Guys, see. BOBJ2 equals to new what? New. You can see now. You are able to see both the method, both the behavior, whatever the behavior of class A and child class B as well. You can see guys, obj2 dot show A. You can see guys, yes or no? Then guys you can see obj2 dot show B or not. Why guys you are able to see now? You know why now you are able to see? Because you are created what? Now you created the object of child class, and your child class is extended from the parent class. That means you no need to create the object of parent class. Yes or no? Because already you can see here you created the child class, and your child class is extended from the parent class. So now you no need to create the object of the parent class. Child class object is sufficient to access the parent class. That is the behavior of inheritance. Yes or no? That is the behavior of inheritance. If you're going to perform inheritance concept in your program, in your code, in your application, in your project, that means you need to do this way, not this way. Good guy? So guy, I hope you understood. Even if you have any doubt, please do me comment. Okay? Yes. Guys, see. Now I will run the application. We'll see the result. Is coming expected or not? As per the single inheritance. Guys, see. Guys, see. A class method call, B class method call. Result coming as expected. So guys, I hope you understood very well. You should not have any confusion. Good guy? Yes. Now guys, I am going to move our second what? Inheritance guy, that is what? Multi-level. This inheritance we have done guy. Yes or no? You can see. Already I have explained. Now guy, I am going to move our second inheritance, that is multi-level inheritance. Already explained you will have one parent class and you will have two child class. So how I am going to explain? Please be concentrate. Guys, see. So next I am going to create one more class guy. That class will suppose class C. This time our class will be C. We will have one main method. Yes. Okay, as it is what I will explain single inheritance, I will explain this multi-level what inheritance as well. Don't worry. Please be concentrated. It's very easy if you will concentrate. Otherwise it will become what? Complex. So guys, see. So first I am going to create one class A. Yes or no? Yes. In the class guy, if I will have some property, right? So already I have created one class guy. Yes. You copy that, right? And come here and paste here. Yes or no? Only I need to. So guys, this is class A we have created. In this class we have created one behavior or method or action, whatever you know, it's same. So I've created one method, so a method. I'm printing what? A class method call when I will call this method, right? Then guy, I will create one more class guy. So class B, guy, this is our subclass, K class. Then guy, if this class will extend, yes or no? Extends what guy? With class A. Guy, yes or no? Any confusion? You should not have any confusion, right? So we copy this and paste this. Only need to change what? Our method B. Yes or no? Yes. In this place, we need to change our B method, B class method. Now, guy, tell me one thing. This class C guy extend with which class? Extend with B class only, right? Yes or no? As per this diagram, as well, guy, you can see. So class B extend from A class and the class C extend from B class. Then we can achieve multi-level inheritance. Yes or no? The same thing I have done. Nothing I have done any same thing I have done. But no. And guy, this class also you have one method. Just like this method. I'm going to create one method mode. So guys, the method name will be class so C. And guys, this time what? This C class method call. Correct? Yes or no guy? Yes. Yes. Till now, I hope you should not have any confusion. Correct? Now, our thing is started. Main concept is started again. See. So if I will tell you, I want to access all the method. What we have, what created in class A, class B, class C. What should be the approach? Guys, please be concentrated. This is most important now. First guy, I am creating class A object. What guy? A obj1 dot new A. Yes or no? Yes. So see, if I am going to call obj1 dot show a method, we can able to see why, because in class A our show a method is there. Guys, tell me one thing. Suppose if I want to call obj1 dot show B, are you able to see? Me, are you able to see? No, at all. It's not possible because you cannot access the method of class B with the object class A. You know very well, right? You cannot access. Guys, then see, can you access the class C object? So class C method obj1 dot what? So C, not at all. You are not able to see. Okay, this is the first level call. If you want to access, because if you are going to perform the inheritance, multi-level inheritance, then how the things going on, that thing I want to tell you. Okay, that thing I want to expect you explain you. Okay, so guys, concentrate. So with the class A object, you can access only class A method. Yes or no? Guys, see. Now I'm going to create class B object. Guys, I'm writing here sys statement. Then you can distinguish the result of every class. So sys out. Guys, see. Now I'm going to create the B class object. B obj2 equal to what? New B. New B. Guys, tell me this time with the object of B, what the method you can access? You can access what? Class A method and class B method. obj2 dot show A, you can see here. Show A. And guys, you can see also class B method as well. Guys, see obj2 dot show B. Yes or no? But guy, you cannot able to see what class C method guy. See, are able to see class C method? No guy. Okay, you're not able to see. Okay, yes, that is a problem in our what class B object. Okay, yes. Now guys, see, I'm going to show you 1 minute guy. I'm going to show you how we're going to call all the method with the help of class C object. Guys, see, if I'm going to create the object of class C, see obj3 equals to new what C. Yes or no? So guys, you can see with obj3 dot so a coming or not? Yes, coming. So guys, see obj3 dot b is coming or not? Coming. Yes. Guys, see obj3 dot what so c coming or not? Yes, coming. So what you understood? So in class C, guy, this class C extend with our class B. In this class B extend with class. So guy, in class C, we can see every method we can able to access. Why? Because we have used inheritance concept. Okay, we used inheritance concept. Great. So guys, so every method of class B, every method of class A is extended with class C. Yes or no? That's why guys, we are able to see every method while we are going to create the object of class C. Guys, yes or no? Guys, yes or no? Guys, team, yes or no? Yes. So guys, that's why you are able to see all the method what we have class A, class B, class C. Class A method, class B method, class C method. So we can X with the help of class C object. Why? Because our class C is extended with class B and this class B is extended with class A. Okay, now guys, I will run the application, we'll see the result. But guys, first I will comment this line. Yes or no? Yes. For understanding purpose, I have written all these things. Okay. Now I will run the application. We'll see the result. It's coming as expected or not. Let's see. So class A, we're calling only one method. A class method call. In B class, get A class method call. B class, you can see here A and B, and get last class C. So with the help of this class C object, we are able to access all the method. A class method, B class method, C class method. Guy, I hope you understand. This is our guy second example, second inheritance, that is multi-level inheritance. How multi-level inheritance we are going to perform in our code, guy. That is a perfect example. Right, guy? Yes. Now, guy, I will explain our third inheritance. That is, guy, what? Hierarchical inheritance. Yes or no? What is hierarchical inheritance, guy? Please, guy, be concentrated. It's very simple, but only you need to understand how it's going on. Right, guy? Yes. Guys. You see what third hierarchical inheritance. So I will create one class. Yes, guy, please be concentrated. So, guy, this time I will take one more class, guy. Suppose if I am taking here class F. Okay, class F. of the study void main. Right? Yes. Guys, see. Please be concentrated, guys. Please be concentrated. So guys, see what diagram is telling, guys. So you have three class, right? A, B, C. Correct? A, B, C. You have three class. Correct? Yes. So you see, already I've created one class. You see, now I'm creating one class. What guy? Class D. In the class guy, we will have some method. Suppose copy this method and come here and write here what? You can write what? So D. Yes or no? So D. And guy, this time D class method call. Correct? Yes. Any dot? It seems no guy. Correct? Yes. Now guys, see, I will create one more class. Yes or no? Class extend guy. Extend guy. Tell me which class? Guy, tell me. See here. Concentrate. Get this place. Suppose if you two class B and C. Extend with guy. Which class? A class. Yes or no? If you have two class B and C, what? With derived from what? A class only. So guys, tell me this place what you need to give. Guys, tell me. Guys, can you confirm? So suppose if you will have here what? Class E. So extend with guy, which class? As per this diagram guy, so you don't confuse. Suppose if you will have one what? Parent class, right? This parent class, so B and C are there, right? So this B class also extend with A class. This C class also extend with what? A class. So guys, in this place, you know what you need to do. So this D class, suppose like A class, yes or no? So from this class, suppose this is B class, yes or no? Suppose this is C class, right? So both the class will extend with our same class guy, yes or no? So this time, if you will write here what? Class F, yes or no? Right guy? So guy, this time what? So E and guy, this E class method call, correct? So you get this D class. And guy, extend with what? Okay. Now your F class extend with what? D class. Yes or no? Because both class guy. So your extend with same class. Yes or no? Correct? Yes. Now guy, we have mistake here. Don't worry. And we need to close this place. Correct? Yes. Now guy, you can see what the things happening. So we have class D, class E, class F. Correct? So I'm going to explain hierarchical inheritance. Yes or no? So we have three methods. So in class D, so D, in class E, what? So E, and again, same like we have one method also, which in our class F. Only thing is that this is our class F. This one, okay? And this time class F. Good. So guys, see now how we are going to what? Access all the method of class D, class E, class F. Good guys? Please be concentrated guys. First I will explain. If I'm going to create class, what guy? D, right? So guys, see D obj1 equal to new what guy? New obj, sorry, not obj. So class D, right? Yes. Right? Yes. So guys, see obj1 dot, guys, see, so D you can able to see, right? Yes. But guys, you are not able to see what? Class E, class F method. Yes or no? obj1 dot, so what? E, you are not able to see. And again, obj1 dot, so F, you are able to see. So F, not F, get E, right? Yeah, already have written F, right? Guys, see. So these two methods we are not able to see with the object of D class, right? Yes or no, guys? Yes. So guys, see, 1 minute. Let me do one thing. I have opened different class. Okay, no problem. So I will give some print statement here. So due to which you can understand very well. What? Right? Yes. Then guy, now I will call with the help of what? Class E object. So let's see, I create class E object. Right? You know very well how to create the object guy. So guy, this is our E object, right? E. Let's see, with obj2 guy, obj2 dot, guys, see. So you can see D and guy obj2 dot what? E. Yes or no? And guy obj2 dot, you not able to see F guy. I will tell you why. Don't worry. Right? Yes. So guys, see now again I am going to create the object of F class. Yes or no? Object of F class again. I am going to print this statement between them. Okay, see this time I am going to get object F. Yes or no? Now guys, you can see obj3 dot what guy? So D method. Yes. And again obj3 dot so F method. Yes or no? Yes. And you will not able to see what? obj3 dot what? E method. Yes or no? Guys, see now you can come to our what? This diagram. Guys, see, if you are going to use hierarchical inheritance, that means you are able to access B class method or A class method, not the C class method. Yes or no? If you want to access, if you want to call from C class, so you can call, you can access C class method as well as E class method, not the B class method. Guys, same thing happening here. Not, you can see. Guys, tell me happening or not? So if you want to call from what? App class. So you can able to see app class method and D class method. And same guy in E class. If you're going to call from E class means guy, you are able to access E class method as well as D class method, not the app class. Okay, that is called our hierarchical inheritance. That is our third inheritance which is supported in our Java. Okay, that's why I'm going to comment this place. For understanding purpose, I have written this way. Right? Yes. Now guy, I will run the application. We'll see the result is coming expected or not. As per the our diagram, you can see if you have created the object of this class, only you can able to access yes or no. See, if you're going to call this class, so this class or method and this class method, you're able to access yes. You're going to call from this class means what? This class, then you can able to see these two method only. So guys, this is complete explanation about what? Hierarchical inheritance. I hope you should not have any confusion. Guys, see. So these three are supported in Java. That's why we'll more focus on these three class. But again, I will explain theoretically here. So why it's not what supported in Java. Let's see. Suppose guys, if you have class show A method and guys this show B method, so get this compiler will confused which method they need to access. Yes or no guys? Which class show method need to call A or B. That's why this is not supported in Java. Got it? And guy, this is diamond problem, right? So we are not able to know. Compiler will not understanding. So which method they need to access. That is called a diamond problem in our what? Java. That is hybrid inheritance. It is combination of two inheritance guy. That's why these two inheritance we are not going to use in our Java implementation. So guys, that is our complete explanation about what? Inheritance. So what is inheritance? Why it's need, right? What is relationship? What is advantage? What is disadvantage? Yes or no? And what all the type of inheritance and how we what and how we are going to write the code for all these three inheritance what we have in our Java. That is single inheritance, multiple inheritance, and what? Hierarchical inheritance. And fourth and fifth, that is multiple and hybrid. These two inheritance is not supported in Java. That's why we are not implementing this thing. Okay, that thing complete about our inheritance concept. Okay, and next coming video I will explain what is has a relationship, what is association, what is aggregation. Don't miss guy what next video. Please watch next video. Is also very important. Okay, that's it guy from this video. If you like my content guy, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye. We'll meet very soon with new topic in next video guys. Bye bye.